How much do you spend when you go to yakun? 2ドルでコーヒーだけですか？それとも5ドルでセットを頼みますか？ Well, today I'm spending $72. Yes, $72 for a yakun FG60 high tea experience at one of Singapore's most luxurious hotels. 一体どんな体験になるのでしょうか？ Why does it cost $72? Well, yakun serve its secret 60-year-old fermented coffee bean or something? Or is it something else? Let's find out.
本当にこのホテル入るだけですごく落ち着くし壮大ですよね。So Yakun and Fullerton Hotel is collabing for SG60 National Day. It's such a fun contrast because Yakun's humble Kopi vibes meets Fullerton's ultimate luxury. Different worlds, but both true Singapore icons. Oh, and I think this is the venue. はい、ということで着きました。フラトンホテルのロビーエリアでやるみたいですね。So they named it the Memory Lane. I'm looking at the menu. A lot of Singaporean themed munchies, including chili crab bun, pandan kaya, onde onde, and the price I paid is around $72 per person, including service and GST. For comparison, I looked up TWG's afternoon tea. It was $60, so this one is $12 more. But with that, I get to enjoy this very grand and calm atmosphere. And it's so funny. Again, it lays a collab with yakun, so I can choose my drink between yakun coffee or tea. なんか全然合ってない感じがするこのyakunと。その高級なホテルと And of course I'm getting Can I get the yakun Kopi Yokoson?
Kopi Yokoson?
Can I don't know, it felt so awkward ordering Kopi Yokoson at a 5-star hotel. Alright, cheers to possibly my most expensive yakun Kopi Yokoson and to Singapore's National Day. Cheers! It's funny because I think I like it more at yakun. It feels like it's more mild. 香りはそのままですね。すごく香ばしい。So that's an interesting find. You cannot beat the original even if you're paying much more. Okay, next is Nanyang Breeze Mocktail. It's clarified coconut milk, pandan, gula melaka, pineapple juice, and lime juice. Oh, I love that. It's sweet, it's refreshing, and the pandan aroma is magnificent. Alright, so this is the afternoon tea set. It consists of 3 layers. I see about 14 items. I'd like to start from the savory ones. It's at the bottom. We have cucumber cream cheese sandwich, a classic high tea food item. Prawn okta with beautiful ikura and pineapples and a flower. This one I'm not sure. We're gonna find out. Okay, starting out from the sandwich. Cheers. I like how the cucumbers are very crunchy. But honestly, not much flavor. I don't think they put much cream cheese. Next one's interesting. Prawn okta. I like that much more. エビがプリプリで味がとにかく濃厚. Hold on, I think this will go perfect with my kopi. Cheers. Oh, 完璧な組み合わせ. So we just saw a beautiful coffee pole. You guys are from Yakun, actually.
Yeah, we are from Yakun.
Oh, you come from Yakun. I thought the hotel staff were doing it. I was wondering, it's not that easy, right, that one?
Yeah, they need some training.
Oh, so every day you send someone from Yakun?
So only for this weekend and next weekend.
I'm finding this mysterious thing. I think it's chicken. Oh, this is the Nyonya style curry chicken. It doesn't really taste like one though. Alright, next plate. This is interesting too. It's chili crab, but the color is totally not chili crab. It's mostly white with some caviar and a teeny bit of chili crab sauce. Check out how it tastes like. Cheers. Don't get me wrong, it's good, but I don't taste the chili crab at all. But a lot of crab. でもこうやってシンガポール料理がこんなおしゃれにアレンジされてることが楽しいですよね。Next one's smoked trout with tamarind and quail egg. It's not bad. The trout is smoky and tender. And I love how everything just goes perfectly well with the Kopi Yokoson. And lastly, truffle cage-free egg mayonnaise with charcoal sesame bun. Extremely fancy. This one also not much flavor, but the truffle aroma is quite strong. Very eggy though. Alright, before trying the final plate, I want to attack my scones. So that's the standard one, and that's coconut pandan. I love the local twist, and kaya jam and butter. Okay, let's try the standard one first. Unfortunately, it's not that warm. Butter, kaya jam. Sounds good. Crispy bottom, moist and soft inside. The next one's coconut pandan scone. Again, I wish it was warmer, but I appreciate something like this. You know, something very local and delicious. The pandan aroma is excellent. 残念ながらこれが最後です。Wow, this looks great. オンデイオンデイ。シンガポールとマレーシアの伝統的なお菓子ですね。What? I wasn't expecting this. They never use the chewy layer of skin. It's just extremely soft, coconutty. I taste the gula melaka at the center. Next one's pandan kaya. これが一番美味しいかもしれない。Basically, it's just like extreme pandan. Very thick, not too sweet. Great with kopi. This one's kopi tiramisu. That's good too. Bitter, sweet, soft. Unfortunately, I finished my kopi okoson. Everything's quite sweet, so I would want to drink more, but actually they only provide one round, so I cannot order another one. So sad. This one they named it Yuan Yang, and it's infused with yakun tea. Yeah, I taste the bitterness of the tea. What makes it unique is that they use the yakun tea, of course. Yeah, it's nice. Finally, the coconut calamansi. I appreciate how crispy the tart is at the bottom. Very limey. I see around 4 layers of different ingredients. Oh, this is one of my favorites too. After the high tea, I decided to explore the hotel. Built in 1928, the Fullerton Hotel was once Singapore's general post office, and it's now a 5-star heritage hotel. Legend has it that secret tunnels connected the Fullerton building to other important sites like Fort Canning and Raffles Place. While many have been sealed, some may still exist. And some people think this hotel is haunted. ChatGPT told me. It's closing automatically. Yep, 100% haunted. I did a Fullerton Hotel staycation review a long time ago, and I think a lot of you have never seen it before, so here's a short clip. Oh, pretty nice, not bad. あれでも思ったより小さいかもしれない。Okay, let's check out the balcony. Wow, pretty awesome. We have a balcony in our room, and the view we get is feels amazing. まあ一つデメリットとしては高くないんですよね、このフラトンホテルって。なんでなんだろう、うわマリナベイサンズみたいにうわすごいこの国はみたいな。Check out the bed, nice white and fluffy. And this is the TV. で、これが軽食コーナーですね。僕が一番好きなエリアになってます。How much was this? $8? $10. Wow, $10 cup noodles. And this is the espresso machine. Here we have TWGT. That's one of the most premium tea. Wow. Okay, so the toilet is pretty huge. You have a bathtub here. Whoa! 驚かさないでよ、マジでこれ。これすごいな。バスタブ。多分僕余裕で入るんじゃないかな。いけますね。Oh, wow! Pretty big. Alright, we have a booking for La Brasserie. La Brasserie. Look at this restaurant. Wow. We got steak and fries for 68 Singapore dollars and duck confit for 49 Singapore. Duck confit, crispy duck with some walnuts and stuff. Looks pretty. And on the right is wagyu. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. So beefy. So tender. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is good. 次は共用部分のご紹介です。So we're heading to the Fullerton Spa and the gym. Nice. このジムかなりミニマムな感じですね。ベンチプレスはない。But they have lots of cardio machines. あとは筋トレマシン。ベンチプレスがないのでガチな筋トレはできないけど、全然いい汗は流せそうです。Look at this. It's called the sweet room, and it even has a freaking
Oh, okay. Freaking big balcony. All to ourselves. This is pretty insane. どっから紹介しようか。まあいや、とにかくこれが、リビングエリアですね。It's pretty darn nice. Wow. Got some fresh fruits. And this is the view we get. It's quite different. This is facing the river. How awesome is this? I'll show you the bedroom. Okay, this is the bedroom. Wow. And this is the toilet. Okay. Wow. Ooh. You did it again, man. Toto. Come on, Toto. Don't scare me. This is the shower, the bathtub. And okay, now you have two sinks. Pretty darn awesome. そしてもちろんスイートルームなんでトイレもう一個ね謎にあるんですよ。すごくないこれ？いやおかしいでしょこれ。僕専用ですよこれ。僕と妻専用のバルコニーですよ。You can have a freaking party here. Who wants to come? If it rains, you have a hideout here. Check it out. Nice. And the view, you guys have to check out this view. It's just so amazing. You get to see the Singapore River, the boat quay, Victoria Hall. Woo, pizza party. 今日はピザパーティーだ. Cheers. わあ、オリオンビール久しぶり。Wow, this is life, man. Sushi and pizza. Don't do this. Oh, nice. This is the pool. It's pretty nice, but it might be a bit small. It's not the biggest pool. So what I like is it has a colonial feel to it. Okay, we purchased these just to fully enjoy our bath experience. なんか宇宙が広がるらしいんで。Woo! I love the smell. So breakfast is held at the town restaurant, which is at the first floor of the Fullerton Hotel. Not bad. Okay, let's try the laksa.
Oh, it's interesting. It's kind of like clam chowder. Very creamy.
Thank you. Oh, that's me.
And that's me.
That's her. I personally feel the food is alright. It's definitely not the best I've had, but it's the hospitality. The staff are just so also kind. Okay, let's try to take an epic thumbnail.